everyone, this is Sneha from Travel with Sneha and this is the third episode of LADAKH series. So we are done in LADAKH and we will be heading towards HANLE. As you guys know that HANLE is specially known as the Dark Sky Reserve of India, and as I have seen so many stars in LADAKH, so I'm pretty excited to see what lies in HANLE. So we had our breakfast and started off. Hello. Hello bolo.
Jule.
बाय बाय करो ना बाय बाय करें
Confused.
सीरियस
So currently we are going to the warfield of 1962, the famous Rezangla warfield. So this is Chusul. Here he captured this area and the rest of the area is in China right now.
सन 1962 में भारत चीन में युद्ध हुआ था, उसमें 13 कमाओं की शाली कंपनी के 114 जवान शहीद हुए थे। उनकी शहादत को याद रखने के लिए 1963 में 13 कमाओं द्वारा बनाया गया। मेरे सामने आपके पीछे वो काले रंग वाली पहाड़ी दिख रही है, उठी हुई देख सकते हैं आप। उसका नाम है मुखबरी डाक। उसी के नीचे ढलता हुआ स्पर, इस पे 3 से 4 टाइप बंकर दिख रहे हैं। मेजर शैतान सिंह को उनके रैंक द्वारा पहचाना गया था। उनके पार्थिव शरीर को उनके गाँव जोधपुर राजस्थान में भेजा गया। बाकी दो जेसीओ 111 जवान का अंतिम संस्कार यहाँ पर इसमें दिखाया गया कि एक कुमाऊनी सैनिक चीनी सैनिक पे संगीन के साथ वार करता हुआ।
The Rezangla War Memorial is 40 km past Merak, and now we are headed towards another high altitude pass, which is Sagala. Currently we are now at Sagala Pass. Just take to rest never jono. Bhai, the landscape, oh my god, it is full desert with little patches of green. It literally looks like I've come to Iceland or something like Mongolia. It is that fab. My god, I cannot explain the majestic beauty of this landscape, literally. As we got closer to HANLE, the landscape started to change. We found Indus River flowing through the desert, and while we are 30 km past Sagala, we found ourselves in a very scenic spot. Never ever I have seen landscape in pastel shade. Out of 143 km, only 44 km are still left to reach HANLE. The ride was a little bumpy in the beginning, but now it's completely flat land. We are going smoothly and the landscape is just cherry on top. We were just chilling in our homestay waiting for the golden hour.
What you doing?
তোকে ফোকাস নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছে, এবার ফোকাস নিয়েছে। For the first time in these 5 days of our trip, we saw clouds gathering up. We didn't expect at all that these could look so heavenly. I'm literally crying right now. I haven't seen such beautiful landscape ever. With this golden hour, and I'm sure the sky is gonna be red, the clouds are gonna be red. I just cannot believe myself. As the time passes by and the sun sets down, we geared up for Astro. It was in one of my wish list to shoot star trails. While the pole star is right behind the HANLE monastery, I couldn't resist the opportunity for the perfect star trail shot. Ji, Jule, good morning. So I have learned a new word in Ladakh, that is Jule. The room is pretty messed right now, so kindly ignore the background. This is day 6 in Ladakh. I guess I literally forgot the count, and day 2 in HANLE. Truth to be told, I'm a little disappointed with HANLE because as we know that HANLE is known for its dark sky reserve. When we got at the photography spot, we see a lot of lights coming from the homestay or from the cars moving around, similar like Merak, but yeah, we got the shot. And another thing, just to take a note, that we have got another man down.
ধুলোতে হতে ওর কাশিটা বেড়েছে, মাথা যন্ত্রণা শুরু করেছে, চেস্ট কন্ডিশন হয়ে গেছে। মানে মেডিকেল অফিসার বললো যে আমরা এখানে রাখছি কারণ এখানে অক্সিজেন আছে, গাড়িতে যদি অক্সিজেন থাকে তাহলে সোমরি নিয়ে সোমরি যেতে পারবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আদারওয়াইজ বললো যে the best thing is for her to go to Leh right now.
Her SpO2 level literally dropped around 53% and she had to be admitted to the hospital today morning. Please, if you are watching this video, please make sure that you are literally fit enough to come to this high altitude, otherwise you are not gonna enjoy it. Leh Ladakh, yeah, looks fancy enough, like all the influencers are getting some aesthetic background shot with all the mountains and with the turquoise blue lake and everything, but yeah, because of the high altitude it becomes very difficult to adjust, to acclimatize. So please make sure if you're watching this video, be a little fit before you come to Ladakh. We decided to visit hospital to see what's going on with our participant. Sadly, we were not allowed to shoot there because it was an army hospital, and for the very first time in my life I saw devil's dust.
মুভ করছে মালটা, এই তো আমাকে ফুটেজ দিয়ে দিও।
ঠিক আছে,
এটা ভিতরে যাই, এটা টিভি তুলে দে।
এটা আমিও ভাবছিলাম।
ম্যান অফ স্টিল ওই সিনটা মনে আছে মানুষ? মানে তুই এরকম করবে তো যাওয়া বলে এরকম করে উড়বে, লেখা নেই ইয়ে মারা গেল।
এই গোপড়া দিয়ে তোলো তো, গোপড়া দিয়ে তোলো তো, এই গোপড়া দিয়ে তোলো।
The plan was to visit HANLE monastery and then the observatory later on, but we found out that the HANLE monastery remained closed after 2 o'clock, so we have to visit the observatory only. So this is HANLE observatory right behind me. We are right now at Saraswati hilltop. And this is Himalayan Chandra telescope. This is basically an optical telescope. The Gamma telescope will be right beneath us. I will show you it later. It closes by night, and so we have to visit it by daytime. Though we are very late right now, we have also planned to visit monastery, but unfortunately it is closed. So we have to এটা দেখেই শুধু থাকতে হবে। হানলেতে এই দুটোই জায়গা আছে সাইট সিইং পয়েন্ট। We are actually late because we have to do a lot of to and fro from the hospital. We will go right inside it. Let's go. exposure. এরকম ব্লগ এসছে, এটা আউট অফ ফোকাস লাগছে তো। এ মা, পুরো মনে হচ্ছে কি ব্রাশ দিয়ে এরকম করে মেরেছে, ব্রাশ পেন্টিং।
এগুলো তুমি ব্লগে দেবে।
So we are inside of this telescope. This Everything is huge. এই 6টা টেলিস্কোপ, এগুলো হচ্ছে হ্যাগার হাই অল্টিটিউড গামা
রে
টেলিস্কোপ অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ মেস MACE, যেটা ফুল ফর্ম আমি জানি না।
ইয়েস
যে আমি ভিডিও করা শুরু করি তুই চুপ হয়ে যাস। অরবিট কেন নিচ্ছিস?
Please tell me you got that on video. Ready? Go. Nafa? Countdown karo. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, क्या देख 73